giveaway tonight. It's been
this
a long
lovely
time
baby
coming.
An example of some of the stitches, 60 built-in stitches. It really is an awesome machine.
But it is insane the response we got. So we wish we could give all of you guys a sewing machine. We definitely cannot. This is the fourth sewing machine. I don't know.
Third
we're giving
or
away.
fourth. Yeah.
So this is something we do, and if you don't win tonight, there will be more opportunity. We added every single entry by hand. Some of them we used a bot to export mass, like comments and likes.
We've upped our game like we always do. So we are giving away this machine. This is the first prize, but there is 10 winners tonight. Second tier prize is 250 Rand cash on our website. Third tier prize for the last 5 is 100 Rand vouchers.
Here is our massive list of giveaway entries. I'm doing a fast scroll because there's a lot of them. Total of 69,295. We are first going to draw our top 10. Everyone that gets top 10 will immediately get that 100 Rand Fabric 8 voucher. Then we're going to ask Siri to pick a number between 1 and 10. 5 times to get our top 5. Those people will automatically get the 250 Rand voucher. From those top 5, we're going to do another drum roll and ask her to pick again between 1 and 5, and that person will walk away with the sewing machine. Pick a random number between 1 and 69,295.
It's 43,744.
Now.
It's 25,166.
Vivienne, Lewin, Evan.
The answer is 50,397.
Suleman Mahdiyyah.
That would be 21,748.
Oh, it's a cell phone number. Her name on WhatsApp is Marula Design.
It's 2,486.
Avril, Barrett, Newnham.
It's 68,240.
Reenen, Carmen.
The answer is 23,469.
So it's also a WhatsApp entry.
Memory.
It's 23,011.
WhatsApp entry.
Khosi.
The answer is 38,660.
Dawn goes natural.
It's 17,691.
Melanie Q127. That's our top 10. We're going to ask Siri to pick our top 5. Pick a random number between 1 and 10.
The answer is 8.
That is the cell phone number 2.
The answer is 6.
That is van Reenen, Carmen.
It's 7.
That's cell phone number 1.
The answer is 5.
That's Avril, Barrett, Newnham.
It's 3.
Suleman Mahdiyyah. We are just asking for 1, and this person walks away with the sewing machine. Drum roll.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Pick a random number between 1 and 5.
It's 5.
5. It is Suleman walking away with the Brother FS60X Extra Tough Sewing Machine. Is Suleman Mahdiyyah. Congratulations. Yay! But thank you guys for entering. Thank you for all the support. Our business would not exist without you.